This is Lacey jumping at the bird cage. Why she jumps at the bird cage? No one knows. Guess it's her exercise for the day. You getting pooped out already? This is who she's jumping at. Let's see, where's the bird at? Oh, there's the birdie. And then there's Lacey, right down there. Lacey, you leave that birdie alone. Ollie don't want you. Why are you jumping at Ollie? You're gonna scare him. This could go on for hours. Little Lacey. You was such a brat, aren't you? You was a brat, Lacey. Are you done now? No, guess not. One more? Another one? Yeah. Well, you sitting up now. Aren't you just cute? Oh, Lacey, what to do with you? All right, I think you've had enough of that bird stomping. Huh? Yes, you have. Say goodbye to the camera. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Lacey.